Today I have a beautiful and interesting video, watch the till end. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am going talks about what is the money, why money needed for human life. Money is such a thing. It can buy and get everything. Money is not God, but it is not less than God. In any situation in human life, people need money. Without money, hoping to get anything. It is like pouring water on a desert, only to dry up everywhere. People say money is nothing. Because those who cannot do anything in life and achieve anything, whether it is a member of their family or their life partner, they claim that they cannot be close to anyone without money. People say that money is nothing in the present time. But they don't know that money plays many roles in human life. Money is an important thing that exists from birth to death. Number 1. Nothing comes without money to do any work at home or to bring food. Money is also needed for food, shelter, and cotton. It becomes challenging to maintain a decent standard of living and ensure the basic necessities of life. Number 2. Education. Money also plays an important role in education. To pay the educational school fees of the children, or any member of the household pursuing higher education. But who needs money? For example, we have all heard and seen it in newspapers, social networks, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and news. Due to lack of finances, non-payment of school fees, and being denied admission to exams. Every field needs money. So everyone needs money. Number 3. Hospital. Without money, there is no treatment in any hospital. Not even a medicine is available for free. Hospitals are the most expensive and expensive. We have also heard that without sufficient funds, successful treatments could not be carried out, and the majority of fatalities may have been witnessed, which may have aided those who could not afford treatment. Opportunities to experience the world and travel to new places, and indulge in interests and pastimes, which money can enable. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, is known for his views on financial education and wealth creation. While he has shared about money, one of his famous dialogues is, "The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth in what seems to be an instant." Conclusion: making money means protecting yourself and your family. So earning money is very important. Human life, make as much money as possible. Thanks for watching.